Hello po, I'm doing Andrew Pangilinan, and I'm gonna make Unicorn Gundam Destroy Mode, SD. So let's start. So this is what it looks like inside.
Pwede ba kita interviewin?
Okay po.
Yun ang pinaka-favorite mong kasama sa church.
Si Dandan.
Sa girls, sinong ano mo, pinaka-close?
Ace, lagi,
Sino?
Ace?
Is that a question or a statement?
Hindi, sabi ko po Ace.
Siya yung natutok lang sa'yo. Na girl.
Hindi po, most.
Mostly si Ace ang
Nagtutok.
natutok sa'yo.
Opo. Turn my head up and down, turn around and all that I can see.
So, para maging interesting, let's go back to Ace.
Ayoko po.
Sophia na lang.
Parang gusto ko mag-focus.
Mag-focus saan?
Kaya nahihirapan ako mag-focus.
So, ito. Tignan mo, wala silang naririnig sa'yo. Oh, wow! Clean yung teeth mo? Did you brush your teeth?
I sharpened the water.
Really?
Kuya Jess is not here.
Huh? Kuya Jess is not here? Do you miss him?
Kuya Jess Island. Is that small Gundam?
Yes, this is small Gundam.
This is for you?
Yes.
And small?
Yes.
Do you like it? Do you like to build a Gundam too?
I want pink Gundam. Small Gundam now.
Do you like pink and small Gundam? No.
Now. Look at this. Look at these funny eyes.
Wow. Time's up. And I'll continue this later. Bye. Well, I just came back, so let's continue.
Kaya hindi ko nakikita.
Nanay.
Huwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin, laging isisigaw. Aling ikaw. Just give me one more chance for one last time. You always ask me those words I say, telling me what it means to me. So
Let's done with both of the legs.
I'll never go. You're on your own now. And I'm alone and free. The comments in your face that I see through the night.
Fire in me and find.
Yeah, you lose the sight of your circles. That's what I'll do if we say goodbye. The first Gundam that I built, Wing 0.
now.
What? Second Gundam. That side hell. Third Gundam will be Heavy Arms. Fourth Gundam, Sandrak. Fifth Gundam will be Ultron.
I'm finally done.
First Gundam. What
First
Gundam is
Gundam.
that? Gundam
Gundam
Uni-
Unicorn.
Goodbye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Shout
Bye.
out to. Bye-bye. We're back. I wanna ask Dwayne how's the experience in building the first Gundam.
Stressful. The stickers were hard to put.
Okay.
But cutting was easy.
At least you got the experience. Next will be HG and then RG and then MG and then PG. Shout out to Gundam Ace. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!